Good day everyone, I am Alan Alcantara from BSIT 1D and today we are going to talk the ISPSC vision, mission, core values and the motto. And we are going also to talk about the BSIT program goals and objectives together with the ISPSC hymn. So, come and join me as we start. So the first thing that we are going to talk is about the vision and mission of ISPSC. So the vision of ISPSC, UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive, and responsive state university. And the mission, UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. This is the ISPSC core values, impetus. So we are going to know what our impetus mean. I for innovativeness, M for motivation, P for professionalism, E for excellence, T for transparency and accountability, U for unity and teamwork, and S for sustainability. So let's proceed to the motto of ISPSC. Sapienta et virtus in posterum, or in English, wisdom and virtue for the future. And now, let's move forward to the next, which is the college goals. The program prepares students to be IT professionals, both local and global contexts, who are expected to be well-versed in application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engaged in lifelong learning endeavors which are capable for contributing research, extension, and resource generation in the field of information system. And the next thing that we are going to talk about is the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology program objectives. And these are the three objectives of this program. The first, the graduates will be competent professionals with integrated understanding of computer system, processes, and the main body of knowledge being in the field of information technology. They will be IT professionals, engaged career such as solution analyst, organizational process analyst, system analyst, data analyst, and information technology developer. And the second objective, capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which includes earning higher learning degree or completing professional advancement training. And the last objective, the graduate will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, a member, or a leader of a team, communicate effectively, and ensure social and ethical responsibility in the community or in their profession. And we have already know the ISPSC vision, mission, goals, and objectives. So now, let's sing the ISPSC hymn. So come and join me again. Dreams and vision within the minds of the novice, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded pride of society. We're singing victorious praises, in locus or polytechnic college, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once in your life, be close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding starry surging soul. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Circle Technics College, the place where I and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Your quest to provide us with enlightened mind, prime us competently in art endeavors, enabling it to share wherever we are. Ours grants greater height, you God, and to God and fellow men, or reaching we will shine. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos Circle Technically, the place where you and I belong. Long